This assignment works with word art, decimal tabs, and columns. So the first thing you'll do, if your ruler is not showing, click View and check off Ruler so that it's showing. Then select the title, click the Insert tab, and we'll go to Word Art, Insert Word Art, and you can select any style. And then if you're not happy with the fill and the outline, you can go into Word Art Styles. This is the fill, so this would be the inside. And then this is the outside of the lettering. So you can choose anything you'd like. And then my favorite is the text effects. So you can add a shadow effect to the letters, a reflection, a glow around the entire letters, bevel, which gives a 3D appearance, and then there's 3D rotation where it moves the letters. So you can use one or more of any of these combinations, but my favorite is transform. So if you were to hover over, some of them would show a live preview. Mine isn't, so I have to actually click it, and then I see the difference in the letters. If I'm not want to change it, I'll just go back to transform. Whatever is the most recent, I'm going to go with double wave up down, is the one that stays. And to center this, hover the border where you have the 4 arrows and just drag it to the center of the document. The next thing we're going to do for the title is, it's a subtitle, so I'm going to click in the down arrow for styles on the home tab and choose subtitle. Then for prices, I'm going to choose heading 2, and the same thing for flavors, heading 2, just so it stands out. Now these are the ones that I want prices that are lined up over on the right hand side nice and evenly by the decimals. So select the 4 lines, click the paragraph dialog box launcher, go to tabs, and right now the edge of the paper is at 6.5, so I'm going to set a decimal tab at 6.2, so it's close to the 6.5, and I'm going to set the alignment by decimal, and then I want leaders so that it shows, or actually I'll try, these are dashes, so that my eye will go across the screen easier. Click set, went right in the box, it's in there, and click OK. And these are the dashes so you can read across the line, and all the decimals are lined up. The next thing is you see the list of flavors, and it goes on and on and on. Well, what you can do is select from banana to vanilla, and then go into layout, choose columns, and select 3, and it splits the 3 evenly. If you wanted 4, if 4 is not an option, you could go to more and choose as many as you want. There's your preview. I'll keep it at 3. And then click OK. And if you'd like, on the Home tab, you can change the font. You can make it larger, change the color of it. And if we were to view this, so view one page, there's a lot of extra empty space on the bottom. So if you Control A, that selects everything, click Layout tab, Page Setup down arrow, and make sure usually it's at margins, clicks Layout, and then the vertical alignment, the default is top, choose center, and OK. So it puts it in the middle of the document for you. So if you want to get fancy, you can go to Design, you can go to Page Borders. There actually is an ice cream icon, so if you want to add that. It's a little small. The largest it'll be is 31, so then click OK. And if you want to add a page color, and that's a save and submit. Thank you.